Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your online presence with personal website, complete guide step by step clearly. Creating a personal website is essential for managing your online presence effectively. Begin by choosing a domain name that reflects your brand or purpose. Consider using your name or a unique variation if it's available. Next, select a reliable web hosting service that meets your needs. Research options based on user reviews, uptime guarantees, and customer support. Once you've secured a domain and hosting, install a content management system, such as WordPress. This platform offers flexibility and a user-friendly interface. Now, choose a theme that aligns with your personal style and the message you want to convey. Customize your theme, focusing on colors, fonts, and layout that resonates with your audience. Create essential pages such as an About Me, Contact, and Portfolio section. Your About Me page should tell your story and highlight your skills. In the Contact section, provide a way for visitors to reach you. The Portfolio page can showcase your work or achievements, giving visitors insight into your capabilities. Next, set up a blog if you want to share insights and engage with your audience regularly. Consistently publish valuable content relevant to your field or interests. Optimize your website for search engines to improve visibility. Use relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to enhance your SEO. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly to reach users on all devices. Implement an SSL certificate to ensure your website is secure. Regularly update your site with fresh content and relevant information. Monitor your website analytics to understand your audience's behavior. Use this data to refine and improve your website continuously. Engage with visitors through comments and feedback to build a community. Maintain consistency in your branding across all platforms to strengthen your online presence. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your online presence with a personal website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.